Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is a cook with me video. I will share with you some simple, easy meal ideas while on my weight loss journey. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, my chat partners. So now I am preparing to make homemade breakfast sausage. I love to make homemade breakfast sausage because I can play with the recipe and just try different seasonings out together to my liking. And also I can control the sodium intake and also other preservatives that is in breakfast sausage that we might buy from the store. When you make it at home, you can make it as healthy as possible. Okay, now I am getting ready to make cabbage and sausage. Guys, cabbage and sausage is such a delicious, simple, easy meal idea. With cabbage and sausage, you can use fresh vegetables to your liking. I like to use peppers and onions and fresh cabbage. And sausage is so good, guys. And to be honest, when I do make cabbage and sausage, I will add seasoning like garlic and onion powder. However, I do not add any salt because the sausage has enough sodium and flavoring in it that I do not need to add salt. And guys, this is a quick, simple, easy meal that you can make. And it takes no time to prepare and cook. I hope you all are enjoying this video so far. And if you are enjoying this video, go ahead and like and comment below. And also subscribe to my channel, Dionne's Life, and become a chat partner. Guys, I have over 400 videos on my YouTube channel. Go ahead and check them out. I'm sure you'll find a couple that you will like. Okay, everyone, we have come to the end of the video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm wishing you all out there peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.